If you have an ISA, there's a good chance it's costing you thousands. An ISA is a UK individual savings account. It shelters interest, dividends, and gains from tax up to your annual allowance. And you don't even know it. Most people open an ISA, stick their money in cash and think they're done. But a cash ISA earning 3% while inflation runs at 4%, that's a guaranteed loss in real terms. Ouch. The 3 biggest ISA mistakes. 1. Choosing cash over stocks and shares. 2. Not using your full $20,000 annual allowance. 3. Picking the wrong provider and paying hidden fees. Here's what to do instead. Open a stocks and shares ISA with a low-cost provider. Invest in a global index fund. Set up a monthly direct debit so you invest automatically. That's it. The best time to fix your ISA was last year. The second best time is right now. Subscribe for more money moves that actually work.